Hello everyone! Today I will share one of my sister's favorite recipes, pork and sauerkraut stew, which actually has become my favorite as well over the years. So for 8 servings you will need 4 tablespoons of oil or fat, half a chopped yellow onion, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of sweet red paprika, 2 pounds of bite-sized pork, 2 pounds of sauerkraut, 5 bay leaves, and 3/4 of a cup of chopped fresh dill. And if you don't have fresh, it's okay, you can use dry. Start by preheating the oil in a large pan under medium heat. And as you can see, I'm using leftover bacon fat because it gives the dish a fantastic flavor. Once the oil has preheated, carefully add the chopped onion, and be careful because it might splatter hot oil, so watch out. Next, I'm adding my favorite Bulgarian seasoning called Sharena Sol, but if you don't have it, that's totally okay. I'm also adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of sweet red paprika. Stir everything well together, cover the pot, and sauté for 6 or 7 minutes. Next, add the chopped pork, mix it well together, and simmer cover for 30 minutes, but make sure to stir it a couple of times during the 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the sauerkraut with all the liquid, and here I will stress not to add any salt to the stew because the sauerkraut is plenty salty, and if you're concerned the stew might be too salty, drain the sauerkraut liquid and just add 1 cup of water. But add 1 more tablespoon of sweet paprika, cover the pot, and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the 3rd and last tablespoon of sweet red paprika, mix everything very well together, add the bay leaves, cover the pot, and simmer for another 20 minutes. Next, add the chopped dill and mix it well, cover the pot, and simmer the stew between medium and low for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, you will end up with this delicious homemade pork and sauerkraut stew. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if so, please give the video the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.